Want to learn how to make this amazing blueberry dessert? Stay tuned. Welcome back to another riveting edition of The Captain Cooks. My name's Will, and tonight, do you guys like blueberries? Do you like blueberries? I love blueberries. And my wife and I actually have several blueberry plants down behind my shop. So we have just been picking blueberries all day, every day. And tonight we're gonna make a fascinating blueberry dish. Tonight we're gonna be cooking with cast iron. This is a Victor cast iron skillet from the famous Griswold Corporation.
What? What happened?
My father actually found this pan in the early 80s in a dump. Yeah, I'm not kidding. And he refinished it and reseasoned it and is smooth as glass and ready to go for our recipe. So I've been drinking, thinking. What are we drinking tonight? Tonight's drinks, I'm having Hendrick's Neptuna Gin from their Cabinet of Curiosities, along with a lemon-lime seltzer. The wife, well, she's having a no carbonation blueberry lemonade. Delicious. We're going to be cooking this recipe tonight kind of off the top of my head. We're not going to use any of those stupid, lame-ass cookbooks. No, what are you doing? I said no cookbook. I don't want the cookbook. No, what? Get the fucking cookbook. I've already preheated the oven and we are ready to go. All we need now are those lovely blueberries, and we're going to get started right over here. So the first thing we got to do is we have to get some butter into the pan, and we're using unsalted butter. Unsalted butter is very important. So a little bit of unsalted butter, and then we're going to dump in these blueberries. Now the recipe calls for a 12-inch pan. I'm just using a 10-inch, so we're going to go, well, I guess with all these blueberries, and they're going to fill the bottom of that pan quite nicely. Ladies and gentlemen, your captain speaking. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Folks, your interaction with me on this channel is going to be what makes this channel great. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get right back into that video. All right, we're going to add our sugar. We're going to add our flour in now. Add in our 3 eggs. We're going to add our 3/4 cup of whole milk. Add our 1/2 cup of half and half. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, I love vanilla extract, but we could also use pure vanilla. And that ratio will be in the description down below. And then finally, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we use this blender a lot. It's going to be pretty loud, but I like to start it with the crush ice to get all that stuff all mixed up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit blend, and I'm just going to let that go for a minute or two while we prepare everything else. Now for the fun part. Now we're going to pour the custard. They call it custard. I have no idea why they call it custard, but that's what they call it. We're going to pour this all over this goodness. We may use it all, I may not, I don't know, but we're just going to go ahead and pour that right over there. All right, we're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes in the good old oven here. Here we go. Try not to spill it so you don't piss your wife off. Right in the middle of the oven, and we'll see you guys back in about 25 minutes. For me, it's time for a drink. For you, it's going to be like this. All right, well, we got about 5 seconds here till she's done, and we're going to pull it out. Oh, it is sizzling. Oh, man. Check that out. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to serve some of this up. This custardy, blueberry, oh, look at that. Just falling off. Amazing. A little stuck to the pan, but that's a little weird, but okay. Look at that. And we're going to finish it off with some of this Edie's vanilla bean ice cream, which is one of my wife and I's favorite ice cream. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I have for you tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.